Welcome to our channel, where today we'll guide you line by line on how to move or back up your DVR recordings to keep your valuable content safe and accessible. Welcome to our channel, and thank you for joining us. Today we will take you through the essential step-by-step process on how to move or back up DVR recordings effectively. Whether you want to free up space on your DVR or preserve your favorite shows, movies, and recordings, this guide will help you secure your content with ease. First, understand that DVR systems use a hard drive to store recordings, and in many cases, these files are not playable outside the DVR device. So backing up involves transferring the recordings to an external storage device or a computer in a supported format. Step 1. Gather your equipment. You will need an external hard drive or USB flash drive with sufficient storage, the necessary cables, and access to your DVR's menu system. Step 2. Access your DVR settings menu using your remote control. Locate the option for recording management or storage settings. Step 3. Check if your DVR supports exporting recordings. Some DVRs allow you to export shows to USB drives or external hard drives directly. If supported, select the recordings you want to move and choose the export option. Step 4. When exporting, make sure the external device is properly recognized and has enough free space. Follow on-screen prompts to complete the transfer. Step 5. If your DVR does not support direct export, consider using a video capture device connected to the DVR's HDMI or AV output. This method records the playback of your recordings onto an external computer or recorder, essentially making a backup copy. Step 6. For DVRs connected through a network, check if the manufacturer offers a backup application or cloud service to download recordings. Step 7. Once files are transferred or backed up, safely eject your external storage device to prevent data corruption. Step 8. Label and organize your backup files on your computer or external drive so you can easily find recordings later. Remember to perform backups regularly to avoid data loss from hardware failure or accidental deletion. Backing up your DVR recordings not only keeps your memories safe, but also gives you peace of mind knowing your entertainment is protected. Don't forget to keep firmware updated on your DVR for best compatibility and security features. If you follow these steps, you can confidently move or back up your DVR recordings whenever necessary. Channel members like you inspire us every day to share more helpful tech tips and how-to guides, so stay tuned.